Hey friends, this is TFUEL. Well, and welcome to the new update on TFUEL. We can watch pretty bad event on the weekly time frame chart for TFUEL because it has broken down a very significant support of the falling wedge pattern, and at the same time, it has also broken down the price level support zone that was from 14 cents and goes to 11.4 cents. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame. We have broken down this falling wedge pattern. But Bitcoin on the weekly time frame is still moving inside the falling wedge. But on the other hand, TFUEL has broken down the support of this wedge, and this was a very strong support zone that was from 14 cents and goes to 11.4 cents. And TFUEL has also broken down this support zone as well. You can see that we have tested the support here. We entered the support zone here, we moved up, again moved down, moved up, again tested this zone here and moved up, and we had several rejections by the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Finally, we broke down the support of this falling wedge and also this support zone as well. Now, after this breakdown, the target for this falling wedge pattern to the downside can be here approximately at 2 cents. And here we also have another strong support at 2.5 cents, by the way. And in the worst case, it is possible that we may test this support of 2.5 cents, because you can see here we have this support of 3.8 cents. We have 1, 2, and almost 3 touch points here. But if we take a look at the next support of 2.5 cents, then we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touch points, and almost 8 touch points we have at this support. So this support is stronger than this previous support of 3.8 cents. Therefore, if the price line will drop here at the 3.8 cents, then there will be a probability that we may test a support of 2.5 cents. But before that, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, on the very smaller time frame, hourly time frame, then we can see TFUEL is being traded between the 4 significant support and resistance levels. Here we have a support of 6 cents, and you can see it is breaking as a support in the near short term. It is breaking as a support here. Recently we had another bounce, and after that we have the next resistance here at 6.4. It worked as a support here and as a resistance here, and as a resistance here as well, and as a resistance here, and as a support here, and as a support here as well. And after that we will have the next resistance here at 6.7 cents, and it has been breaking as a support here, as a resistance here, as a support here. You can see for several hours from 13 May to 17 May, it has been breaking as a strong support. And after that we will have the next resistance here, that is at 7.25 cents, and you can see it worked as a resistance here, as a resistance here, and here as well. So these are the major support and resistance levels on the short term, and between these 4 support and resistance levels, the price line is being traded. Now, for example, if we will have we will break out the next resistance of 6.4 cents, and we will have the multiple closing above this level, then there will be, on the hourly time frame, then there will be a high probability that it will make another attempt to break out the next resistance. But at the same time, while moving between these 4 major support and resistance levels on the hourly time frame, if we switch to the bigger one, to the 4-hour time frame chart, here it has formed a descending triangle. You can see that we have several touch points here, then we again have 4 touch points here, and this is the recent touch point we have at this support, and this support we almost have at 6 cents. And here we have a down trend line resistance, and you can see we are getting again and again rejected by this resistance. So it is possible that it will move inside this triangle, and the movement will get more and more squeezed, then it will break down or break out the resistance or support of this triangle. Now the next move to the downside or to the upside depends on breaking out or breaking down the triangle. By the way, at the same time, you can see that Bitcoin is also trying to break out this resistance of the triangle. Previously we had this fake out, and right now it is moved again at the resistance after moving inside the triangle and had another bounce. And if Bitcoin breaks out this triangle, then there will be a probability that TFUEL will also break out the resistance of this triangle. By the way, TFUEL has just bounced from the support, and on the other hand, Bitcoin has already reached the resistance. So it is also possible that after breaking out the triangle by Bitcoin, after a few hours, TFUEL will break out the resistance of the triangle, because you can see there is still a big gap between the resistance and support of this triangle. Now, for example, if TFUEL breaks out this resistance of the triangle, in that situation, our target to the upside will be approximately at 9 cents. Now let me copy this trend line from here, and if we paste it here, then we can see it is showing us the projection exactly where we have the previous support of the big falling wedge pattern. That will be a very critical movement, because it can be a confirmation for the breakdown, because if the price line retests the previous support and after the rejection, it can be the confirmation for the breakdown, and then we can have this big move that can lead the price line to test the support of 2.5 cents. However, it is also possible that after moving up, it will even break out this resistance that was previously working as a support of the wedge, this support, and it will break it out and re-enter the same wedge. So next few hours are again very important for TFUEL, because at the same time, Bitcoin has reached the resistance of the triangle, and TFUEL is getting bounced from this support as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.